Tony Wynbourne, Georgios Apostolopoulos, and engineer Makis Gisdakis have successfully completed a summer house in Corfu designed to blend in with the surrounding natural landscape. The project highlights the harmonious relationship between building and environment with a contemporary design that integrates with the local landscape. Originally conceived by Tony Wynbourne together with a local architect, the exterior and interior designs were refined by Georgios Apostolopoulos studio, with a focus on unobstructed 180-degree views of the sea and surrounding landscape. The villa is designed along an east-west axis to ensure every room has a sea view. The preserved olive trees serve as symbolic elements, naturally rooted in the landscape. The main swimming pool on the upper floor merges with the rocky terrain, creating a fluid relationship with nature, while an additional pool on the lower terrace is designed to blend in with the sea in the distance. The facade of the house uses local stone hand-hewn by local craftsmen, creating a visual harmony with the natural environment and a timeless aesthetic that complements modern elements such as large windows and architectural details. The interior of the villa is divided into 3 floors, the ground floor with the western zone that includes the master bedroom and the eastern zone for the kitchen, living room and dining room. The ground floor has 4 additional bedrooms with bathrooms and kitchenettes. The rocky space behind the ground floor creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere, resembling a natural cave. The interior design of the villa emphasizes minimalism with contemporary details and simple carpentry. The neutral elegance of this interior allows the views to take center stage, highlighting the beauty of the surroundings.